Hello everyone. In this episode, we will talk about the concept on amount of substance. This is the cornerstone of chemistry. Almost everything in chemistry is about it. Therefore, you have to be very careful on this topic. In details, we will introduce the idea about the mole and the Avogadro constant. Then, we will talk about moles and mass. Several questions will be given and answered for better understanding on this subject. The formula of a compound shows us the number of atoms of each element present in one formula unit or one molecule of the compound. Take water as an example. We know water is formed with 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. And we also know that hydrogen is with a relative atomic mass of 1.0, water with that of 16.0. So the ratio of mass of hydrogen atoms to oxygen atoms in a water molecule is 2/16. No matter how many molecules of water we have, this ratio will always be the same. But the mass of even 1,000 atoms is far too small to be weighed. So people have to scale up the amount to make the substance easily weighted. Here comes the solution, the definition of the mole. 1 mole of a substance is the amount of that substance that has the same number of specific particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 Gs of the carbon-12 isotope. And the particles could be atoms, molecules, or ions. The number of atoms in 1 mole of atoms is very large, and it's 6.02 times the 23rd power of 10. This number is called Avogadro constant, or Avogadro number. The symbol of it is letter L, or N, with a subscript of A. And the weight of 1 mole of substance is called molar mass, and the unit is gram per mole. Check on the table, you shall find there is a catch, that 1 mole of chlorine is just half the weight of 1 mole of chlorine molecule. This is because when we refer to 1 mole of certain elements, we usually refer to 1 mole of atoms of such element. So be careful with the words you are going to use. Now let us see the moles and mass. Chemists prefer to use the relative molecular mass or formula mass in grams. You can find the number of moles of a substance by using the mass of substance and the relative atomic mass or relative molecular mass as the first equation. Or you can find the mass of a substance in a given number of moles, just by rearrange the equation like the second one. Okay, now we will work on some questions related to today's subject. The first exercise is as following. How many moles of sodium chloride are present in 117.0 grams of sodium chloride? Under the question, the formula and relative atomic mass are given. So to answer this question, the first thing is to work out the molar mass of sodium chloride. The second question is about what the mass of 0.25 moles of sodium hydroxide. As usual, the formula and relative atomic mass are given. So the first thing is still to get the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. The molar mass is to get the summation based on the formula, and we get 40.0. The molar mass times the number of moles, so we can get the mass. As a summary, we have covered the mole and the Avogadro constant. We also discussed the moles and mass. At last, we finished some exercise together. That's all for today. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day, and bye.